What's up, YouTube? Yeah, boy, headache. We back with another banger, aka another headache. We out here. I'm not gonna tell you on that. You might know just from the scenery in the background and from the names on some of the buildings. But we out here today. See what this talking about. I think I've only caught ever caught one fish out of this pond, one or two fish out this big pond. It runs long. I guess you can consider it pond or lake, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. So out here, I'm gonna see what it's talking about today. I would walk the whole thing, but my feet hurt, so I ain't walking it today, which is the main reason I ain't got my crocodiles on. I had to put some sketches on because feet killing me. Nonetheless, stay tuned, because what I say, it's a banger, aka another headache. Boy, headache out. Boom. We just pulled up out here, yo. Somebody lost their pole out here. See if we can get it. Hopefully it works still. Pretty nice. Oh, it's strapped on. I'm stuck. Jammed up. Much I can do with that. We're gonna see. Throw it on the reel for the kids. I mean, a pole for the kids. That mug stuck. Take it off and pull it down. So, I feel like doing all that. We'll be back. Let me get this worm changed out to a heavy one. It's really sinking slow. We'll be back. Oh, it's stuck on stuff. That's what it is. Noob. See what it looking like on the other side over there. Come on now, grip, y'all. Okay, ball's about to show. There's no way the first cast I lose my whole shit. Jeez. That's sweet. Let's do one more cast back this way. There's a bass right there, I'm telling y'all. I don't even know where it really now. But he back in that direction. What that was that I just said? So we got rocks to deal with and stuff, so it could have been that. I don't know. Alright, y'all. Let's keep going. We'll get back. Holy snap, y'all. Look at this sucker just staring at me. What? So that's a snapping turtle. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, he big boxy big. I'm gonna say snapper. Snapping turtles sitting there. What, that some? Oh, we do. Ain't that some? Wasn't even paying attention. I'm gonna go hooking up on one. Let me get my pliers out, y'all. do it. There we go. Go. Oh, let's get him back in. Hey, bro. Oh, well. He made his way back. Well, you went right by where that snapping turtle was at. Could have been the last we saw of ya. Ain't bad, first catch out here. Let's get our rig set back up. See, like I said, I ain't got to deal with that wiring getting tore up. Just slide it right back. Boom. We back. We just lost our one. Where's my hook at? Get off of me, bro. What all that freaky deaky? Like the hook behind. Just crap in my back. Ugh. It's hooked up on my bag. Come on now. Jesus Christ, y'all. Don't get your break. Let me break. Chill out, bird. What am I worm coming on? There it is right there. I think we can get it. I really don't feel like going down this field. Let me see some. I definitely just had one biting me. I'm not really paying attention to it. Something different just had this time. Try that again. I felt it last minute. Thought I was hung up on something first. Try this again. Felt it again. What is it? I guess what's the name? Blue wheel. Yeah, highly aggressive. Oh my God, we'll be back. right now. Got him. One of the little one. It was a nice size bass. I don't know why. Ooh, something there, boy. Come on down. There we go. Some bass. No, I think I started to leave it alone. Cause it really wasn't hitting mad aggressive. Like you would expect them to. That ain't bad. That is not bad. I'll take that any day. Come on back out there. Sure. Most of these bites I've been getting lately is from me not paying attention. This is crazy. That's what I'm at. Believe that. I don't get bit. Let me know. Yeah, I think he might have been the only one there. It ain't. Oh, I thought it bit then. Yeah, it ain't seeming like it's another one in that area. Guess he was the only one. How it seemed. Well, I'm hitting me now. I don't know what it is. So I'm definitely nibbling on it. I don't know, it might not be the only one now. There's no way the fish would be dumb enough to. Oh, come on. Please tell me I can get that out. Oh, thank you. Whew. And the word. Look at that. Oh, we got some, y'all. The other one. There we go. Look a little bit up here. Knock my worm off, little sucker. Nice little one. He ran right at me. That little dude too. Thought he was running with that good worm. No, buddy. I hate you took my worm. I don't know how you pulled that off. Boy, Vanessa. Who's back? Let me get this hook back up. Show y'all what I'm using as well. Y'all done seen them before, but just these watermelons. We gotta have some watermelon colored ones. We'll be back. Maybe that was the same one earlier. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. I just know we missed one. YouTube. I think that was our last fish of the day. We missed one. Could have been the same one, but nonetheless, I gotta get home. Gotta go pick up some crap. I gotta put some gas in the vehicle. So, without further ado, like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like the video, tell me why you didn't in the comments. Okay, your boy Headache is out.